Battery Boy in Cyprus, and here we are on a very hot Saturday, the 15th of August. Happy holidays everyone. A couple of things to tell you today. We're making some advances. This is a battery from a Dyson vacuum cleaner, and doing a bit of research, one on how to get into the case without breaking it. I found out how to do that, but also there is a printed circuit board, the brains of the battery possibly has a blocking device that if you change the cells it will stop it working, so you have to send then for a very expensive replacement battery, which guess what, you can't get in Cyprus, because I've looked either from copies from China or anywhere. You cannot get them sent to Cyprus, so we're working on ways around. So I'm going to change the cells in this anyway and see if we need to get another PCB board at the brains of it, and if necessary then I'll replace that as well. It'll still save the owners a lot of money. The new batteries from Dyson are around about 70 to 80 euros plus your shipping. That's if you can get them in Cyprus, and even the replacement, the knockoffs, are cheaper, but again you can't get them in Cyprus. But I have my source of these guys, as you well know, and that's what keeps Battery Boy unique. The other thing which is brilliant is now we have our business cards, so I think we can say that we are, and get it straight, in business. So there's my phone number there, Battery Boy Facebook, and also Battery Boy Cyprus Instagram. So if you need help with any of your battery solutions, give us a shout. Thanks for watching. It's a very hot day. Go out and go to the beach. Enjoy.